Hello guys, hope you guys are doing great, and in this particular video we are going to discuss whether trading is good or investment is good. So basically it is trading versus investment. What is the first thing which comes to your mind when I say trading? Gambling, luck, waste of time? And what if I say investing? Oh, my money should be safe. Akka return. I will become very rich. Anyways, if you ask me what is trading and what is investing, then I would say it's basically telling me like salary is better or business is better. It's like my mom saying, hey, salary is any day better than business. Business has a lot of risk. Don't do business beta. It is basically like that. Trading is, investing is like a salary. Okay, it's like you're gonna get some money, whatever it is. The risk is less, but you're going to take a lot of years to achieve something. You're going to take a lot of years to make something in salary. Business, you may make a lot of money or you may lose a lot of money. So the risk is higher in business and the risk is comparatively less in salary, and the skills required in business is more. So in trading, the skills required is very much higher compared to the skills required in investing. Then which one is the right one, Dias? What I would say is try to see these two as two different products. Trading is completely different and investment is completely different. So if you want to take risk, you will definitely do trading. When I say trading, trading can be intraday trading on the same day you book your profits, or scalping, or short-term trading. Maybe you're waiting for a few weeks or few months, you're waiting. Within that year, you're finishing your trades and you're making some money. That is called trading. Investment is basically you are holding a company share for longer time, expecting it to grow. Let's say after 1 or 2 years, the company is doing good. So I'll be investing in that company, and as and when the company grows, I will also make some money. So these are two different products. Now it's like you're going and asking a cricketer, asking him, what do you feel? Cricket is better or badminton is better? The cricketer will definitely say cricket is better because he has made something out of it. Same way, if you ask an investor and a trader which is better, the trader will say trading is any day better. The investor will say, oh, trading is just gambling, it is nothing, investment is better. Now the thing is, two different people have two different experiences, two different lifestyle, two different skills basically. So the person who's doing trading would have not had much time to do investment, have got some returns for long years ago. So he doesn't know the power of investing. So trading has helped him to make some money. There are a lot of traders who have lost money in trading, intraday trading or short-term trading. In both, they would have lost money. They would have not come back to trading. There are very few people who come back and try to understand the product slowly, and later, once they get better, they see some improvement in themselves, and years to years, slowly they will improve and come into a level saying that trading can be done. Same way, investor who couldn't do anything in trading will jump into, let's say, short-term trading. He lost in short-term trading, then slowly he went to long-term. Then he saw some profit in his money growing a little bit. Then he felt, okay, long-term investing is better compared to trading. So two different experiences. So if you ask this person, he will say trading is better. If you ask an investor, he will say investing is better. Now coming to your point. See, trading needs a lot of time and dedications because every day you're a friend of the system if you're doing intraday trading. If you're doing a short-term trading, then you may take a trade. For that, you need to investigate which is your best stock. You need to use some technical analysis, some price actions. Based on that, you're predicting that at a shorter time frame, there's a move going on and you're going to take advantage of it. Long-term trader, what he's going to check the P&L, balance sheet, company performance. So much of performance he will do. A lot of work is gone over there. Finally, he decides I'm going to pick this particular share of a company and I'm going to invest in this company for a long time. So basically, even what he is doing is like he's predicting that the stock will move. Trader is predicting in a short time he will move, and an investor is thinking in a long time he will do. Basically, both are predicting with some calculation. He has a different tool, maybe he's having a different tool, maybe, but both are doing what they are predicting the future. If both don't do proper analysis, okay, if investors say no, I will make it long-term money because everybody is saying, because they have invested from so many years, I will also invest. But if you don't put on the right stock, what will happen? Let's say because of the economy hit, that when the market falls, all your 2-3 years, whatever you kept in the equity market or whichever investment you did, that investment also will fall. So after 2 years, you realized you made a loss. A trader may be losing on the same day, intraday trader. He realized, okay, I made a loss. I am making some mistake. I have to correct myself. Or a short-term trader, after 2 weeks, he made a loss. He had to book loss. So he realized I'm making loss. I have to improve my accuracy, my skills, my strategy. Same way, investment guy, after 2 years, he will realize he made a mistake because this company was not doing good. Then he has to re-enter into another company, find another company and take. So after 2 years, he realizes intraday trader understands in same day, a short-term trader understands in 2 weeks. So the time difference is different. So You will know whether you're good in intraday trading within few days, but you will get to know you're good in long-term investment only after certain years. There also a lot of people are not successful. If you go and put in directly in mutual fund or in some funds like that, maybe you may getting certain percentage if you're consistently putting like SIP. But investing in a company without analysis, even long term, is the same answer. Same like intraday, long term is the same. If you don't analyze and put in a company, you're wasting years together. Basically, like a salary. Okay, I will collect my salary, and make something big. Whereas a businessman, if he gets clicked, he'll make a lot of business. So same way, if a businessman knows his business only, he can be successful. If he is not knowing about his business, and what will happen, he will definitely lose whatever he has invested in the business, right? Same way in salary also. You have to do a good job and you have to get a promotion. Slowly, small hike, same way long term will happen, right? If that something happened to the company or you lost your job, same way if the market falls, long term investors are also gone. Their portfolio has fallen. Same way like the traders. So both have a different perspective, two different products. So it doesn't mean that if you're a trader you cannot be an investor. So a trader also can put his money in investing. He can divide his money for intraday trading, he can divide his money for short term trading, he can divide his money for long term trading, whichever works for him, because diversification is important. Just like in other products, even in trading you can diversify into different products, so that if intraday is not giving you, short term is giving you. If short term is not giving you, long term is giving you. If long term is still not when growing, intraday maybe is giving today for you, which you're reinvesting in short term or in long term mutual funds. So what I feel is, once you learn trading, then you can think about investment also, because investing needs money. A lot of people will say, okay, I invested 500, we can make 5 crores, 10 crores. After, let's say you're just putting your money and going, where are you enjoying your money? You're not even taking out the money. Whereas in trading, you may get your money then and there, you may use it, you may utilize it, you may reinvest. You're living with your money. What's the point of making so much of money, and when you're old, you cannot spend the money? So there are a lot of advantages and disadvantages. Different people with different skills will advise you that this is good and this is good. What I would say, be a hybrid trader. Try your trading, try to spend your time, learn, don't invest money and lose money, do paper trading. That's what I always say. So if things are working, improve on yourself. If you're not improving, it's your problem. You have to work on yourself. Nobody else will push you. So be a trader and also be an investor, because something will work out for you guys. So hope this was an add-on to your knowledge. For a lot of beginners having these questions, no, first I will become trader, second I'll become investor. No, you have to think from all the angles. Start learning from one by one and you will realize the reality. So I am into this field from almost close to 9 years now, 9+ years now. So I have realized many things. I have realized that I should be a hybrid trader, not just with trading, even with investment. Diversify my investment, not just in this, even in real estate, in little bit in equity, in mutual funds and all that. So that will help you to overcome this fear of things falling, because if something falls, everything is gone. Let's say intraday capital goes, you are done. Or let's say stock market fell, your equity is gone, right? So you should have at least something like real estate. You should have something in equity, long-term investment, mutual funds and gold, then short-term trading and intraday trading. Why not learn the skill? You learn computer science, you learn coding, you learn many skills. Why don't you spend that quality time, 1 year, 2 year in learning full time, 6 to 10 hours in only stock market? There are so many things to learn in stock market. Why don't you spend your time? Maybe you will see some improvement in you. And as and when the years go, you get that experience to do something different. So hope this was an add-on and motivational. So I don't discriminate or relate this to any traders or anyone. I always support everybody. Learn from everybody. Learn all the skills what they have. Try to learn from them. Be a trader. Be an investor. So see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.